Welcome, students and parents of Walnut Valley. This tutorial is here for you to help guide you through the steps of navigating Google Classroom. To start, you will come up to the search bar and simply type myportal.wvusd.org and press enter. You can also locate MyPortal by going to any of the school websites. Click on the Student tab and scroll down to locate myportal.wvusd.org. You will also find MyPortal instructions here that teach you how to log in. You will also find a MyPortal troubleshooting video, as well as a Google Classroom student tutorial. I'm going to return to MyPortal, and I will log in with my student's ID number, which might be something like 123456, and you are going to keep typing at stu.wvusd.org. For this purpose, I'm going to change this to lunchid@stu.wvusd.org. Next, you will log in with your student's password. Student passwords vary from site to site, so please contact your teacher if you need your child's password reset or if you do not know it. So I'm going to enter the password. You're going to arrive at the MyPortal homepage. From here, you're going to need to click on Applications. On the Applications page, you will find Google Classroom here and many other applications that we utilize throughout the district. Things like Think Central, Benchmark Education, Discovery, BrainPop, MOSA Max Science, McGraw-Hill, and many other resources. You will also find on the Bookmarks tab that you will find many other valuable website links that will take you to resources that are very valuable for your student. We are going to return to the Applications page to then enter Google Classroom. When you arrive to the Google Classroom dashboard, you will find that your student may be a part of a current class, or they might be a part of a class from last year. If they have not joined the class, they will need to click Join. Once they join a class, they will arrive to the stream. This is the Google Classroom stream. If I scroll down, I will find all of the assignments as well as announcements that my teacher has posted. Sometimes this can be quite long and it can be quite difficult to find things, but the stream basically is a location where there are announcements along with assignments. And students can also share or post here, so they can give a welcome or a hello to their classmates here and post. And everything that is posted here on the stream can be seen by the entire class. There are 3 tabs at the top: the stream, the classwork, and the people tab. You can see on the left there is a upcoming assignments. It's going to warn you what is due and you can view all of the assignments by clicking there. But I do want to, and it will sort it by due date and what's coming up next. But before we do that, I would like to show you the classwork tab, because the classwork tab is organized in a special way, and that will be dependent on your teacher. Teachers will add topics, as you can see here. If I scroll all the way down, I have many topics to choose from. In this case, I have materials, I have reading topics, I have writing, math, social studies, and science. Each of these have assignments listed with due dates, or there might not possibly be a due date, but it's important to just pay attention to what is listed. We are going to start off by answering a simple question. If I were to click on this question, it's going to load, and currently I can see that there is currently a class comment. I can view this question, and I would answer this question by simply typing in my answer over here to the right. What is one thing you learned today? I learned how to use Google Classroom. So the student will write their answer here and they will turn it in. Assignments, when they are turned in, are viewable to all classmates. As you can see, this student, Marge Simpson, answered the question and posted, and I can see, or excuse me, she made a comment and I can see her class comment. If I want to see her reply to the question, I can see classmates' answers here, and I can also click up here. If I can see the comments listed, I can also click on the name and see the comments listed as well. I'm going to go back to my answer because at this point, I can also post a private comment to my teacher. And I can also post a classroom comment here. Keep in mind that anything that you post here in any of these locations on the class comment page, or if I answer my question, it is viewable by my classmates unless my teacher has turned that on. If you want to turn these in or submit that, you just click the little send button and that will submit my comments. I'm going to return to our classwork tab, and I'm going to now close that by simply clicking it, and I'm going to scroll down next to some materials. Sometimes your teacher might provide you with materials, and these are simply links that will get you to an important website. And so all you would do is just click and you can load that site. For example, this could be a teacher website that you are taken to. We will close that. You might be taken to something like a Flipgrid account that your teacher has made for you. Other materials might be something like Think Central or Mystery Science. Just different links that will take you to different web pages to log in. Sometimes your teachers might give you an assignment that might be something like a YouTube video. In this case, this is some sight word practice. I can simply click on the link here and it will take me there. I could also view my assignment, and notice that when a YouTube video or video is attached, all you have to do is mark as done. There is no need to write an assignment in this case, because all that was done is the teacher just wants to ensure that you have watched the video and you simply have to mark it. You can leave a comment or a private comment. I'm going to click on the link and you can see that it loads the YouTube video that I have, that the teacher posted. After I'm done with that, I can simply mark as done. You will have to click that twice, mark as done again. I'm going to close that link, or I'm going to come back, I should say, to my classroom by clicking on my sample classroom. And now I'm going to come back to my classwork tab, and you can see that this has been turned in. My assignment is done. I know it's done because it says it was turned in. Sometimes your teachers might give you links to Benchmark Advance or Epic eBooks. Every teacher has different links that they find valuable for you. If a teacher assigns something to you, such as an essay, or in this case, this is a student biography, so I can click on View Assignment. And in this case, my teacher has assigned me, let's just say, for example, I need to write one page. It's an essay or something in our biography that I have to write. So in this case, I have a link to the assignment here that I can click on, and that'll allow me to open up the page that I need to work on. And now I can begin my biography. When I am done, I can turn this assignment in by clicking on Turn In. And it will take me back to Google Classroom, where I can now click Turn In to confirm, and now my assignment has been turned in. I can also unsubmit my assignment. Say, for example, that I made a mistake and I need to write something more. If I want to open this assignment again, if I click on it, I no longer have access because I turned it in. It is now, the teacher is now the owner, so I can no longer edit this. I could request access, but you can actually fix this yourself by simply clicking Unsubmit. By unsubmitting my assignment, it is giving me access back, and now I am the owner of the assignment and I am able to open it and continue working on my bio. Then again, when I'm done, I would simply turn it in. Your teacher will review your work and grade it, and then they will submit points that are back to you. In this case, you can see that this assignment is worth 100 points, and your teacher will submit a grade that will come back to you, and you will see your grade there. Going back to classwork, sometimes your teacher might assign something like a Google slide to you. In this case, I could open my assignment. I can click, so you can see that my assignment has been posted. I can click on my assignment. The instructions are complete the slides to show that you have to show what you have learned about the things that are from the past and the present. I can click on the assignment. It will open. I can work on my assignment. I can type in this assignment, and I can continue on and follow my instructions and complete it. When I'm done, sometimes like Google Slides does not have the turn in option. That is okay. You can come right back to your Google Classroom and you can turn that in. If there's ever an assignment that maybe your teacher did not assign a document to it, you can always create your own document. So I'm going to come back to classwork, and let's say, for example, that my teacher wanted me to answer this tutorial on how to write a professional biography. Maybe they wanted me to complete an assignment. I could add a document here by clicking on Add Document. And now I have actually created my own Google document or Google slide or whatever it may be that needs to be done. I can create my own and begin working, and I can turn that in as well. So as you can see, that document was now added. This was a video that we were to watch. I added a document to go along with it. And of course, that would only be if the teacher gave you those instructions to please create a Google Doc and write about it. And again, I can turn it in, write my private comments and my class comments. Coming back to our classwork, we've gone through quite a bit, but your teacher might also assign something like a question, say from Mystery Science. Why do baby animals look so cute? The instructions are click on the link to view the Mystery Science video and then answer the question. So I could view it here, and again, I can click, I can view this video, and then I can come back and I can answer the question here. Coming back to my class, the final example would be something like a quiz. If I were to go to a science quiz here, my teacher might have something like this, like a water cycle quiz. I can view my assignment. I can take that quiz, and when I'm done, I can mark it as done so my teacher knows that I did it, but I can click that quiz and I can go through the process of taking that quiz. So these are various examples of using Google Classroom and kind of guiding you through the process of navigating. If you have any additional questions, please don't hesitate to contact your teacher. Thanks for watching.